One text could make her miss you like crazy. Not a paragraph, not a desperate, "I miss you." But a single precise line that gets under her skin, stays in her mind, and makes her feel your absence more than your presence. This is the art of Stoic texting. Calm, minimal, heavy with meaning. And today, I'll give you the core text. It's strange how quiet feels different without you in it. One simple text that will flip the dynamic. So instead of you missing her, she starts missing you. To support this channel, like and subscribe. Here it is. It's strange how quiet feels different without you in it. Read that again. It's not needy. It's not desperate. It's calm but heavy. It makes her feel your why it works. Calm, heavy, not needy absence. And the more she feels it, the more she misses you. Why it works? Because it's not a demand for attention. It's a mirror. You're not chasing her. You're letting her sit with the silence you leave behind. Send this once and then disappear. No follow-up, no double. Example number 2. Some places feel empty, even when they're full. Texting. That silence is the hook. And when she reaches back, you'll know the power of one text rooted in Stoic control. These are other texts that hit as hard. Text 2. It's strange. Some places feel empty even when they're full. She instantly wonders what you example number 3. Noticing how different the night feels without you. Mean. Is it about a cafe, a party, a room without her? The mystery makes her mind chase you. Text 3. Noticing how different the night feels when you're not part of it. This text isn't a confession, it's an observation. And that difference, it's her absence, which example number 4. I didn't realize how much space you take up. Makes her want to step back into your world. Text 4. I didn't realize how much space you take up until you weren't here. This one hits deep. It tells her her presence lingers, that even in silence, she's still with you. And women crave that kind of emotional imprint. Example number 5. Some absences are heavier than presence. Text 5. Some absences are heavier than presence. Yours is one of them. This is the heaviest line. It's powerful, poetic, unforgettable. Because you're not saying I miss you. You're saying she matters enough to be felt even in silence. Why it works? Notice Stoic psychology. Why silence makes her miss you something. None of these texts begs. None of them whines. They don't chase. They create space. And that space is where the missing happens. Send one of these texts. Then stop. Don't follow up. Don't double text. Let the silence. Send once. Disappear. Let her chase breathe. And watch how fast she feels the pull to respond. That's the Stoic way of texting. Not desperate, not emotional, but calm, mysterious, unforgettable. Stay dangerous. Stay stoic.